Once upon a time, a tiny seed lay quietly in the soft soil, waiting for its big adventure to begin. One day, the clouds gathered and raindrops gently fell, giving the seed a sip of water. With the warmth of the sun, the seed began to sprout a tiny green shoot. Day by day, the shoot stretched taller and taller, reaching for the sky. Little leaves danced happily in the wind, whispering to the world, "I'm growing!" And then, one magical morning, a bud appeared at the very top. The bud slowly opened, petal by petal, into a big, bright, beautiful flower. The tiny seed had grown into a flower, shining bright under the sun, proving that even the smallest can grow into something wonderful. Even the smallest beginnings can grow into something big and beautiful with patience, care, and love.
A tiny seed sleeps in the ground, quietly waiting, safe and sound. Raindrops fall, drip, drip, drip. The seed wakes up with a little sip. Grow, grow, little seed. Sunshine gives you all you need. Stretch up tall, don't be shy. Soon you will reach the big blue sky. The sprout pops up, green and small. Leaves are dancing, standing tall. Day by day it grows so bright, reaching up with all its might. Grow, grow, little seed. Sunshine gives you all you need. Stretch up tall, don't be shy. Soon you will reach the big blue sky. A bud appears, round and new. Petals open with morning dew. Now a flower, bold and free, smiling in the sun for all to see. Final grow, grow, little seed.